Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Salesforce Cloud Solutions, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To save with Salesforce Cloud Solutions, start by assessing your current business needs. Identify specific areas where you can improve efficiency and reduce costs. Sign up for a free trial of Salesforce to explore its capabilities. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and main features. Explore the range of cloud solutions Salesforce offers, such as Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud. Evaluate which cloud solution aligns best with your business requirements. Set up custom fields and workflows to automate repetitive tasks. Leverage analytics tools to track performance and identify areas for further savings. Integrate Salesforce with existing applications to streamline processes. Utilize Salesforce App Exchange to find additional apps that can benefit your operations. Collaborate with your team using features like Chatter to improve communication. Regularly review your usage and adjust your plan as your business grows. Consider training options available through Salesforce to maximize your team's proficiency. Use reporting tools to monitor progress and measure savings over time. Take advantage of Salesforce's customer support for any questions or challenges. Stay updated on new features and improvements to continuously optimize your usage. By following these steps, you can effectively save and enhance your operations with Salesforce Cloud Solutions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.